guys, 1, 2, and 3, all of the following techniques ipang-target first si agonist. Agonist, 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 agonist. So directed yun siya sa agonist. So start pa, for example, your biceps and the triceps. Left biceps, left triceps. Isotonic. Sige, miss, isotonic. Isotonic, atong gimin ani would be the concentric ha. Concentric contraction of the agonist to the point of weakness. Akong tight here would be the biceps. Clear ta ha? Siya ang tight. So, si patient, kung tight yung biceps, unsa iyahang allowed mahimo? Tight one. Ha? Flexion. Kung tight ang biceps, meaning contracted si biceps, ang iyahang allowed motion would be elbow flexion only. Limited siya towards extension. So, which one is the agonist? The biceps or the triceps? Triceps, correct. So first, isotonic agonist to the point of weakness. Ma'am, can you try to straighten your elbow? Diha aray kaya. Unsay next buhaton? Isometric of the agonist. Unsay action sa agonist? Extension. Isometric. Ma'am, kindly match my resistance. Count up to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 10. Relax. Quick stretch. Asa mo kung quick stretch? Towards extension or flexion? Triceps, di ba? Atong gitarget. How do you stretch triceps? Towards flexion. Quick stretch. Say next. Isotonic of the agonist. Sige ma'am. Continue ma'am. Concentric. Clear? Again. Repeated contraction ha. Tight biceps. Sige ma'am, try to straighten your elbow. Ihara ko to. Ma'am, resist. Match my resistance. Count ma'am, 1 to 10. 1, 2, 10. Yeah, relax. Sige ma'am, continue. Yeah, diha na sad kaya. Repeat na sad ta. Isotonic ka ng match my resistance ma'am. 1, 2, 10. Relax. That's repeated contraction. Clear? Question. And next, rhythmic initiation. So, voluntary relaxation. Rhythmic initiation. Paliw ko sa paliw ko siya. Unsa yung indication